Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 3500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.4-liter heavy-duty V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, it looks great. You do have the black grille right up front with your halogen headlights and your tow hooks just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our BF Goodrich tires. They look fantastic. You do also have your heated exterior tow mirrors right there. So if you do push them up, fold up just like that, then you can see even farther back. You also have your running boards along the bottom there and a 6-foot box back here. Coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have a chrome bumper. We can open this guy up just like this. Lots of room back here, 6-foot box as I said, and it does have the spray and box liner, so it won't be getting scratched up. We have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and your panic button just up there. Well, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors for windows and locks all right here. You have your handle here, another handle here, and some storage just down there. Looks great in here. Very nice seats. The cloth is very comfortable. Right over here, we do have the control over the lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control right here. And up here, we do have the control over the high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there, we have how many kilometers we have, 60,000, not too bad. You also have the temperature outside and which way we're facing. We can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. We got our trailer tow options, we have our messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Now that is control from right here on the steering wheel with your voice recognition and call out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. You got your gear shift right up here, just like that. And then in the center, you do have your touchscreen display. So you have your AM and your FM, as well as your Sirius XM. Then over here, we do have our media tab if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, your aux cord, your USB plugins, or your disc. You also have your CD player, or sorry, you have your phone options there. You have your compass here, settings, and you also have your more options there. Volume up and down here with your mute, screen off, back button, and your tuner and browser. Down here, we do have our control over 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low. And then right over here, we do have the options over climate control. So we have the power up and down. You have your circulation. You have your hazard lights, your AC and heat. You also have the control over where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrosts. Down here, we have our trailer brake. We also have our traction control and our tow and haul. Got that guy there. You got a little bit of storage right here. And in the center, you do have your 3 cup holders, as well as your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Got some coin holders there, as well as an aux cord and USB plug-in. Then you can close this up and lift this guy up, and you got another seat under there. It does seat 6 people all together. There is also a little handle right there you can lift up, and you do have your CD player just underneath there as well. Right over here, we do have our top layer for our glove box, and our bottom layer right there with our owner's manual inside of it. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have your handle. You have that control over your windows, handle here, and some storage just down here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front, very soft. You can lift this up and you got some storage just underneath there, as well as underneath here you do have a little bit of additional storage. And there's our 6.4-liter heavy-duty V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2014 Ram 3500 ST. If you want to come take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.